Children, 7.1 exercise, chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry. Introduction we have seen already. We are going to find the distance between the following pairs of points. So we are going to find the distance for the following pairs of points. The first one I am taking to finding the distance. What is the distance formula? Before enter the question, we will see. What is the distance formula? Do you remember? What is the distance formula? Distance formula equal to square root of, see the reading notation is very important, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, like that you have to say. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. Here I am taking this as my first point x1 y1, second point x2 and y2. And I am going to substitute here, listen, the distance between the 2 points. Suppose if you are taking the 2 point name A and B, instead of distance D, you can mention here AB. Because suppose the point A if we have here, point B if we have here, distance between A and B is the AB we can say. What we can say? AB. So A point is here, 2, 3. And B point is here, that is 4, 1. For example, this is rough diagram, it's not a fair, I am not plotting in a rough graph, okay, just roughly I am giving this. Because 2 point when I join, you will be getting line segment, that's what, like a line segment I am joining, okay, right. So x2 value is what we know here, 4. So 4, as per the formula there is a minus, and x1 value 2, as per the formula whole square, plus y2 value 1 minus as per the formula y1 value 3 the whole square, right. Now so 4 minus 2 what I am getting, 2 square, and 1 minus 3 what I am getting, minus 2 square, don't say 2, minus 2. So when I square I am getting 2 square value plus 4, minus 2 square value also plus 4. Then how many 4 I have, 2 times of 4. If you are writing 8, again you wanna split for taking root. So 4 plus 4 I am not writing 8, I am writing 2 times of 4. X plus x, 2x. Like that 4 plus 4, 2 times 4 I am writing. Okay. Then for 4 I have a root value 2 and 2 I don't have, so as it is I am writing. Do you understand this? So this is what units. Always after finding the distance, you want to say units. Do you understand? If you are writing here 8 again you want to split like this for taking root. If you are writing, suppose, if you want to go for splitting, for taking root you want to split like that. Understand? But I am not writing the root 8 like that. If you want to write, you can go. And here second one is what, minus 5 7 and minus 1 3, x1 y1 x2 and y2, distance formula. Suppose if I take the given points are A and B, then I will be telling A equal to, but first let me write the formula, distance formula. You tell me, man, maths leader, stand up, tell me, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Sit down. Now here we know very well, the x2 I mentioned here, it's what, minus 1, formula minus, x1 value I mentioned here minus 5. Then already in the formula minus 1 is there, one more minus is there. Can I write plus directly? Minus into minus plus. Can I write directly? Right. Right. Y2 value what, my dear? 3, formula minus, y1 value what we have? 7. So the whole square. And here minus 1 plus 5 in the sense 4 square you will be getting. Here also when you subtract, what you will getting? Minus 4 square. Right. After squaring, 4 square 16, minus 4 square plus 16. So how I can write this? Yeah, 2 times of 16. 2 times of 16, for 2 we don't have root, then we write 2. But 16 I have a 4 units. Don't say plus or minus 4. Sir, if I'm taking root value for 16, we should say plus or minus 4 only. No, sir. Why are you writing only plus? I told you when I give introduction, distance should be positive. So I'm writing only positive. I'm not even mentioning that plus or minus. Directly I'm going with a positive. Understand? Right. So this is the thing. And third one is what here? A minus B. Right. Here I will do better. That is small sum only. That is small sum. Third one, because it's not like a normal number. They are given something like generally they are given. So x1, y1, x2, y2. If you are writing the formula, what I will get? X2 minus x1 square and y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? What is the x2? Minus a, formula minus. What is the x1? A square. And y2 value minus b, formula minus. Y1 value b whole square. Is it okay? Now minus a. Very good. Minus 2a. So minus 2a whole square, like that, minus 2b whole square. When I apply the power, what I am getting? Plus 4a square plus 4b square. What is common in both? 4 you take outside. 4 you take outside. 4 if I take outside, inside what I have? A square plus b square inside the root. Both are multiple. Am I right? When we have a multiple, we can take a root. Am I right? So you take a root like that. Like that you just take a root. For 4, I have a root value 2. For remaining number, I don't have. What is that? A square plus b square. Sir, square root of a square, a only no, sir. Then shall we write a square plus b square, which is equal to a plus b? No. It's not equal. It's possible when we have a plus b whole square. Then square and root we can cancel. You will be getting a plus b. But it's not a whole square. We should not apply that condition here. Don't think that is a square. Without a square we can take. We can take when we have a multiple. Suppose when we have a square multiply b square, we can say a into b. We can say a into b. Sorry, after remove square will not come. Square will not. After taking root, we can write a into b. But when we have addition or subtraction, it's not possible. The square should be whole square. Then only we can what? Cancel it. Okay. Here it's not possible. So children, don't think it will cancel. Okay. It's very important. That's what few questions they are giving in general. So in board exam, don't expect the same thing will come. They never ask this question. Then how it will come? Instead of AB, they may ask sin x, cos x, sin x. And here minus cos x, minus sin x. Like that they will give in the board exam. That's what chapter 8 and chapter 7, what they are doing. Yeah, okay. So like that they will give sometime. Do you understand? Right. So sometime like that they will make a link also. You should be ready for both the thing. Understand? You have to learn. Don't expect the same book back question they will ask. Okay? Right. Here discussed in section 7.2 they are telling. But you don't worry, no need to go section 7.2. What is discussed they are given already. Find the distance between the points 0, 0. They are telling very clearly we have to find the distance between the points 0, 0. That is 0, 0 in the sense what it is? Origin. Okay, that is O. And one more point is there that let me take that A. So A equal to 36, 15 it's given. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B? Sorry, they are given the name A and B. So this is town A it seems. And this is town B it seems. Okay. The position of town A is the origin. Position of town B is 36, 15. Do you understand? If you are saying the textbook, they would have given that. They would have given in section 3.2. If you want, let me show that. Section 3.2. Sorry, 7.2. What are Raja? Right, 7.2. Where it is? Somewhere in the introduction they would have given. We'll see that. Okay. Here. Is it? Here. See, here they have mentioned, what is that? Distance formula. They are telling here, A and B. A town B is located 36 kilometer east and 15 kilometer north of town A. So there is a diagram here. There is a diagram here. There is a diagram. See children. So town A they mentioned in the origin. Okay. Town B is mentioned in 36 comma 15. Okay. Origin in the sense what? 0 comma 0. That is they asking to find us. Okay. So this is what EAB is what now? Line segment. These things only they asking to find there in the question number 2 in 7.1. Understand? The stories everything they are given here. What is that story? Okay. That only I am going to do there. Shall we go now? Shall we go back to the question? Yeah. Now that is they are given A is the origin, B is 36 comma 15. Shall we find the distance between A and B? Right. So what is the distance formula first? Distance formula we know x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square in root. Okay. Right. So what is the point? The point. This is x1, y1, x2 and y2. But when there is a origin, we have a separate formula. Am I right? But we can use this formula, the same formula also you can use. Okay, sir, if when we have a 2 formula, I cannot remember 2 formula. In one formula itself, we can go in the sense we can go, sir. Na, yeah, in one formula itself, we can get the same answer. Not a problem. Even that formula also comes from the previous formula only. Am I right? Then the same previous one we can use it here. X2 is what? 36. X1 value is what? 0 whole square. Y2 value 15. Y1 value 0 whole square. So 36 minus 0, 36. So 36 square plus 15 minus 0, 15 square. If you are using that formula, square root of x square, y square, you will be coming directly here. That's it. Understand? Here one more step we are doing. There is no other big thing, difference. Okay. 36 square is what, my dear? See, instead of going squaring, if possible to take anything commonly outside, better you take. Better you take. Okay, because 36 square is a big number. 225 is big number. Again, we have to take root for this. Am I right? So, if anything is common, you take outside. What is common? 3 is common, no? 3 is common, no? 3 square. When there is a square, you take with the square. 3 square is common. Then it will be 12 square plus 5 square. Do you understand? Yeah. Yeah. Ma, 36 square equal to what it is? What it is? 3 into 12 the whole square. Am I right? Apply the power. Then what I am getting? 3 square into 12 square. Do you understand? Now again 15 square in the sense 3 into 5 whole square. Then 3 square into 5 square. So this 3 square I am taking outside. Balance 12 square, 5 square it's there inside. Do you understand the idea? Huh? Directly if I am telling you not understand. Am I right? See 36 square, 15 square. 36 square it will take time. 15 square if you know table you can go. Again we have to add. Again we have to take prime factor. Again we have to take root. It will be big work. If you are going here, very easy to complete. Okay, think about to reduce the step. Wisely you have to think. And 3 square root value is what? 3. 3 square root value is what? 3. Then 12 square is what? 144. 5 square is what? 25. When you add both, what I am getting? 169. Now it's very easy to go. 169 is what? 13. 13 into 3? 39. Is there any given centimeter? Nothing. Then units. If it's given kilometer, you can write kilometer. But in 7.2, they mentioned kilometer, I think. Am I right? Then you can mention kilometer here. Okay. In section 3.2, they mentioned kilometer. Then distance between town A and B is 39 kilometer. Like that you can give. Understand? Is it okay? See, if you are going there, it will come 39 square. 39 square is a big number. You cannot find easily. Am I right? Am I right? So this is easy way to go. Sir, I am sure I am very clear in the number work in the sense you can go direct to square. That means 36 square you do, 15 square you do and add it both and take a root. Without using these steps, directly you can come 39. If you have a good knowledge in number. Okay, so that I'm going like this, some easy idea. For me, it's easy idea. I don't know for you people what. Right. Now I'm going third question. Third question, what it is? Determine if the points. Then the third question shall we see in a E1 period? If possible, I don't know E1 period. We'll see. Third question about collinear. Here we have to find 3 points. We'll see in the next period. Okay. Then I'll give time to copy. Right, ma? Write this.